Oh! Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. This is my Rustler 4x4 and I just want to go over some of the upgrades that I've done to it right before we run it. First of all, aluminum shock caps. I had these on hand from previously with my Slash 4x4 before I upgraded to the GTR shocks, so that works great. But the shock caps that come on Rustler 4x4 come with a ball head socket, so it needs a screw. It has a screw and a ball head, which is not compatible with these aluminum head screws. So if you buy the new kit, you get the screws with them, but if you already had them on hand, these are the screws that you need. They have a collar on them, which holds the screw cap on. So, aluminum shock caps, done. I've also gone up to a bigger pinion. I went up to a 15. I have not run it yet. Still with the same battery, 5200 milliamp hour, 11.3 volt, 3S, no name LiPo. Well, still the Valineon VXL 3S system. And I still have not added an APS-C fan yet. So because it is cold, it's winter, it's in the negative degrees Celsius, I don't think I have to worry about a fan right now, but I will be getting one of those before it gets warmer out for sure. I did put oil in the rear of the shocks and I used 450 CST. As far as I know, that would be the equivalent of around a 35 to 37 weight oil. All right, let's go take it for a rip. All right, Rustler 4x4. Changes include aluminum shock caps, 15 tooth pinion instead of the 11. And is that it? That might be it. I think that's it. Just head cam for now. Let's try this. First pull, 3S. Right under the old Volvo, why not? Oh yeah, she's got some jam, baby. Oh, wow. Man, this thing rips now.
Oh, do some donuts in the ice.
Whoa. Oh. Man, it's fast.
Yeah, it is. It's powerful. Geez.
Whoa. Oh, self-right. Let's see if it works. Set button?
Last time we did this, it completely failed. Oh.
Oh. It's gonna do it. Oh, I did it! Oh, wow. That was a... Wow.
Do some donuts on the ice.
So much wheel spin.
CSM is just freaking out, eh?
Yeah. Careful, it's fast.
Not as fast as my 6S Slash, I guarantee you.
Well, I'm working on getting my Slash up to a 6S level, and then I want to compare them. Oh yeah! It's that shorter wheelbase. The shorter wheelbase makes it a lot more stunty.
Yeah. It feels kind of like a Notorious or something.
Yeah. It does not feel like a Slash 4x4.
You can hold wheelies with it so easy.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got a good... Yeah, it's got the roof skids. The roof skids and the wheelie bar are like really well designed, actually. That's an axle durability test is what he's doing there. Oh man, you could get some huge air off that jump, but I'm trying to stay out of the cemetery.
Yeah, I better go in for my race.
Okay. Yeah, that's fun, eh?
Yeah. That thing's powerful.
Heck yeah. That's awesome that the self-right worked. Yeah, you need the wheel spin. So for the self-right, you pretty much got to go up in pinion. in order to get the self right to work. Oh! The one thing to hit, I hit it square on. It ejected the body up a bit. That's enough for now. I gotta go check to see if I'm up on my races, and then we'll come out and play in a little bit more. Woo!
Yeah. No traction. Yeah, I think you popped an axle. Yeah. The axle's gone.
Axle's gone.
Physically gone.
Yep. That's what I was talking about. That's I'm finding the other side of that. Yeah. It's not the most reliable axle.